What are the reasons for the rapid consumption of wearing parts of fiber laser cutting machines? 1. Operator error. There are some operators who have not undergone systematic training, and are unfamiliar with the equipment. It is inevitable that there will be operating errors, which will lead to excessive consumption of wearing parts. The solution is that operators can go to regular manufacturers for training and practice more operations. 2. The cutting parameters are wrong. The materials and thicknesses of the sheets cut by the laser cutting machine are different, and the parameters that need to be set must be different. If the parameters are incorrect, the cutting difficulty will increase, resulting in excessive consumption of wearing parts. The solution is to debug more, and debug the cutting parameters with good effect, thereby reducing the consumption of wearing parts. 3. Using the equipment for too long will cause the equipment to age. The mechanical properties of the equipment decline after aging, resulting in dependence on consumables, resulting in an increase in the loss of consumables. The solution is to carry out more maintenance, to ensure the stability of mechanical properties. 4. Frequent cutting of highly reflective materials. Reflection materials can easily lead to the consumption of wearing parts of the equipment. The solution is to reduce the cutting frequency of ordinary high reflection materials.